Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Italian ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to discuss plans in Italian? You'll learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Felice and this is 3-Step Italian by ItalianPod101.com. In this lesson, you learn to discuss plans in Italian through a quick conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they ask about the topic and how the other person responds. Fai qualcosa sabato? No, non faccio niente. Sono libero sabato. Allora, possiamo allenarci insieme in palestra? Sì, va bene. Stasera vado a bere qualcosa con i miei amici alla cantina. Vuoi venire? Certo. Let's hear it with the English translation. Fai qualcosa sabato? Are you doing anything on Saturday? No, non faccio niente. Sono libero sabato. No, I'm not doing anything. I'm free on Saturday. Allora, possiamo allenarci insieme in palestra? Then, can we train together at the gym? Sì, va bene. Yes, that's fine. The next sentence will be the one we analyze. Let's examine its components. Stasera vado a bere qualcosa con i miei amici alla cantina. Vuoi venire? Tonight I'm going to have a drink with my friends at La Cantina. Do you want to come? First is the word stasera, meaning tonight. Stasera. Stasera. Next is the phrase vado a bere qualcosa, which literally means I'm going to drink something, but it translates as I'm going to have a drink. Vado a bere qualcosa. Vado a bere qualcosa. After this is the phrase con I miei amici, meaning with my friends. Con I miei amici. Con I miei amici. Next is the phrase alla cantina, meaning to la cantina. Alla cantina. Alla cantina. All together, it's stasera vado a bere qualcosa con I miei amici alla cantina. This translates as tonight I'm going to have a drink with my friends at La Cantina. Last is the sentence vuoi venire? Meaning, do you want to come? Vuoi venire? Vuoi venire? All together it's stasera vado a bere qualcosa con I miei amici alla cantina. Vuoi venire? This translates as tonight I'm going to have a drink with my friends at La Cantina. Do you want to come? Certo. Of course. Let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is the structure that all of our example will follow. Andare a, present tense, infinitive phrase. Be going to, present tense, infinitive phrase. Let's look at andare a first. Andare literally means to go, but in this pattern it translates as be going. When conjugated in the present tense, it tells us who is going to do something. A means to. Together, andare a is used to say someone is going to do something. After andare a is the infinitive phrase. That's the main action. This phrase starts with a verb in the infinitive form, the dictionary form, like fare qualcosa, to do something. So, the full pattern andare a infinitive means someone is going to do something. Let's see how a line from the dialogue follows this pattern. Stasera vado a bere qualcosa con i miei amici alla cantina. Tonight I'm going to have a drink with my friends at la cantina. In this sentence, stasera means tonight and it's not part of the pattern. Vado is the present tense of andare, meaning I go or I'm going. A bere qualcosa follows right after, with bere as the infinitive meaning to drink something. Together, vado a bere qualcosa means I'm going to drink something or I'm going to have a drink. After it is con i miei amici alla cantina, meaning with my friends alla cantina. So, stasera vado a bere qualcosa con i miei amici alla cantina. Translate this to tonight I'm going to have a drink with my friends at la cantina in natural English. Now, you can use this pattern to discuss plans with others or tell them your own plans. In Italy, socializing over drinks, especially aperitivo, is a beloved tradition. In the early evening, friends often meet at a local bars or cafe to enjoy light drinks like spritz or wine, along with small bites called stuzzichini. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Vado a studiare in biblioteca. I'm going to study at the library. Can you see how the pattern applies here? Let's break it down. Here, vado is the verb andare in the present tense, meaning I go or I'm going. This tells us the subject is I. A studiare follows right after. Studiare is the infinitive, meaning to study. Together, vado a studiare means I'm going to study. In biblioteca adds extra information at the library. It tells us where the action is happening. So, that is how vado a studiare in biblioteca fits the pattern andare a, present tense, infinitive phrase. I'm going to study at the library. Here's another example. Vado a vedere un film al cinema. I'm going to see a movie at the cinema. Vado a vedere un film al cinema. I'm going to see a movie at the cinema. Let's try one more. Vado a fare una torta per la festa. I'm going to bake a cake for the party. Vado a fare una torta per la festa. I'm going to bake a cake for the party. Another one. Vado a giocare a calcio al parco. I'm going to play football at the park. Vado a giocare a calcio al parco. I'm going to play football at the park. One last example. Vado a lavare i piatti. I'm going to wash the dishes. Vado a lavare i piatti. I'm going to wash the dishes. Now you know how to discuss plans in Italian, and you can move on to the practice. A presto!